Don't you see this as something that has happened in Maharashtra all along? This kind of muscle flexing that is being shown. Isn't it more populistic? Isn't this with an eye at the assembly elections ahead? Not just for the MNS, not just for the Shiv Sena, but also for the Congress and the NCP. It makes sense for them to be quiet and mild about this and for the MNS and Shiv Sena to fight it out on the streets.
Yeah, absolutely. If you see, this is not for the first time Raj Thackeray's MNS has taken up the issue of this toll tax. He had taken it earlier. His people had stopped these booths from collecting tax, and then the government took some minor action.
Okay.
Then MNS has asked for what are the policy, because there is a large scale disgruntlement against this collection of taxes. People believe that this toll tax is much more than the actual expenditure for constructing new roads or the flyovers. The problem is there is no transparency in this government policy of BOT.
There is no transparency as far as BOT is concerned, but I still want to ask Sandeep Deshpande of the MNS, who's joining us at this point. While there is a valid point that is the basis of this argument, but I want to first explore what Raj Thackeray said in that statement. Your leader said, attack, vandalize if you are asked to pay toll. Thrash anyone who asks you to pay toll, and then he goes on to say that we are not anarchists. If it is not anarchy that has happened at 9 toll booths across Maharashtra, then what is anarchy, Mr. Deshpande?
No, first you must consider all the situation before going to any conclusion.
Explain the situation to me. Explain the situation to me that requires you to vandalize toll booths.
That's what I'm telling you. If you see the situation for last 2 years, we are fighting on the issue of the toll. We want to the companies to be transparent and to tell people what are the expenses and how much money they are collecting. But even after giving a representation to the government, even after going to the court, we are not getting any results. So this is the anger of the people that has come out.
Mr. Deshpande, explain it, because I can't understand this, that by vandalizing public property, by thrashing up poll booth officers who are just doing their job, how are you showing your anger towards anybody?
It is not a public property. It is not a public property. It is a property of that company. And
but it is serving a public purpose, Mr. Deshpande.
About the transparency of the issue, transparency of the toll business. Then also, if the people are not getting the relief, then what else? What is the way
you can approach the court, as was done in the area of
we have already approached the court,
and then you decided to take matters in your hand.
Just if you allow me to talk, then only I can talk.
Please
if you
go
are
ahead.
going to speak in between, I cannot talk. I
can still raise a point. Go ahead.
No. If you are going to allow me to talk, then only I will talk. Otherwise, I may not explain my side also.
Please go ahead, Mr. Deshpande.
Thanks a lot. After going to the court for last 8 months, government is not putting any affidavit in the court. Neither the IRB is putting any affidavit in the court. They are not explaining their part in the court, and we are getting dates after dates. So how many days we should keep quiet?
Okay.
Can you tell me?
So because the government is not listening, you've decided to go on the streets and do be as violent as you can. I want to bring in Jason Dekuna.
This is our way of functioning.
You are saying this is the anger of the people. I want to ask somebody from Mumbai. You are saying this is the anger of the people that the MNS has decided to bring forth. I want to ask Jason Dekuna, who's from Mumbai. Mr. Dekuna, the MNS is saying they're doing it for the people of Mumbai, for Maharashtra. The people are angry, and this is how they're showing their anger.
This is always the excuse of people who vandalize things, who burn, who create bunds, who stop traffic. It's that they're doing this on behalf of the people, which is a lot of complete nonsense. You know, my dear, we must, I think, face the fact that from now until the elections, there are going to be these political parties taking arms for the sake of the common man. We have been given a lesson in anarchy from Delhi, and anarchy is the fast track to the media, and it's the media that is required at this moment before the Lok Sabha elections. So, and and toll plazas and toll nakas are really
Right.
soft targets. So I think unless the police acts, and the police is unlikely to act because there's so much to be gained by the NCP and the Congress from holding off, because they need both the Senas